Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Windows Workshop, customizing folders for types of files, I'm going to show you how you can change the way that Windows will display a folder for you. Windows has different customizations for different types of files that make them easier to look through. And sometimes Windows may automatically assign the wrong type of customization or one that you just don't like as much. Here on my desktop, I have a folder called Ready to Send. And if I open this folder up, it has a bunch of different ECL files and audio files. However, you see that up at the top, even though under View, I do have details selected, I don't see helpful information such as the created date, modified date, or file type or size. That's information I'd usually like to see for my work files, instead of things such as track number, track title, artists, and the album. By default, this window is currently set up for music, and that's probably because the first file that I copied here was an audio file. However, this is easy to change. All I need to do is right-click on the file and go to Properties, or I can go to Windows File Explorer and browse to any folder here and right-click and go to Properties. And one of the options that I have in the Properties tab is Customize. In the Customize window, there is an option for Optimize this folder for. One of the options I can choose is Music, and I'm going to instead choose Documents. I'll press Apply and then OK. And now when I open up this folder, you see that I have the date modified, the type of file, and the size. And you can experiment with different customizations to see which you like best, but this also gives you the tools to fix anything that you just don't like. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and share this video with anyone that you think may need it. Thanks so much and have a great day.